TBS is the only provider of a touchless fingerprint sensor worldwide. You can see if I'm approaching my finger, I don't need to touch the device and I'm being recognized instantly. Therefore, to clean a 3D sensor actually means to clean the glass front and to clean this glass rim around the sensor hole. Please do not try to clean the inside of the sensor hole here, because most probably you will scratch and damage the vitreous body, which is a glass body inside the sensor, protecting it, and you would leave scratches. As long as the sensor is working fine and recognizing any user without any problem, there is also no need to clean the vitreous body because the device is still working as it should. Contact your TBS partner if you think the sensor body should be cleaned. To clean a 3D terminal, take a wet towel, for example one like this. Take one of the soft towels out and clean the device front and the glass rim around the sensor hole. Take a paper towel like this. Clean the device front again and thoroughly clean the glass rim around here. We can safely say the device is clean now. To disinfect it, take a fresh paper towel and the disinfectant solution containing alcohol, in this example here glycerin alcohol. Spray it several times on the towel, and then with this towel clean the sensor rim, the glass rim here, inside and outside. I was folding my finger like this to make it effective on the inside as well. And then clean the glass front, and you can see how quickly the alcohol is drying again. TBS is offering a touchless identification device, the 2D Eye. It's a combined face and iris sensor. If I'm approaching the device, it's taking a picture, analyzing the iris and recognizing the user. To clean it, click once on the screen to stop scanning. And as the device is already clean, take a paper towel, spray the disinfection solution on the paper towel, and then just clean the surface of the device, also below and the surroundings. That's it. Press to scan again and the device is ready.